Welcome back to children. Let's start with the detailed question answers. How is soil formed? Soil takes a very long time to form as follows. Dear children, soil formation is a very long and continuous process. It goes on for a very long time. First, large rocks are being broken down into smaller rock particles with the natural action of wind, water, and sunlight. Then, further, that smaller rock particles are further broken into more smaller pieces with the chemical weathering. And this process takes a very long time, and finally, we get the fine soil. How and why crop rotation is practiced. Crop rotation is practiced by the farmers by growing different crops in the same land to keep the soil fertile. Dear children, farmers do practice this crop rotation to maintain the fertility of the soil and to grow more crops. Like here example is given through the diagram. In the year 1 on a patch of land, 4 different crops are being grown: maize, carrots, potatoes, cabbage. And the year 2, the crops are being rotated or changed on the same patch of land, and this is done in order to increase the fertility and quality of the crop. Third, how is laterite soil formed? Dear children, we have already discussed about the laterite soil. This soil is a rocky soil and is red in color and very rich in iron. So this soil is formed by the process of weathering of rocks and the other natural resources. Question number 4. State a few ways in which soil erosion can be prevented. Soil erosion means the washing away of fertile soil by the action of wind, water, or the other natural resources. So we should prevent the soil erosion by the following ways. Planting more and more trees. We should plant more and more trees as the roots of the trees bind the soil and uh, prevent them for eroding. Reducing land pollution by not throwing waste anywhere. We should not throw any sort of garbage, especially plastic wrappers or plastic cans, to reduce the land pollution. Next is reducing the usage of chemical fertilizers, as usage of chemical fertilizers may increase the quantity of the crop, but it will decrease the fertility of the soil. So in place of chemical fertilizers, we should increase the usage of natural fertilizers like manure and compost. Dear students, hope you have understood and you will learn the questions side by side. Thank you. Have a productive